I would now request Mahmoud Asmar from USA to deliver the speech.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, and dear colleagues, good morning and assalamu alaikum. It's a true honor to be here today at the 33rd National International Children's Health Conference 2025. As we come together to celebrate World Health Day, this year's theme, Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures, highlights the crucial importance of ensuring that every child gets the best start in life. Healthy beginnings truly do lead to hopeful futures. Let me start with a question. What do you think is the most important thing a child needs to grow up healthy and happy? Some might say love, others might say food or education, and they would all be right. But a healthy childhood isn't just about avoiding sickness, it's about a holistic approach, physical, mental, and emotional well being. Consider this: 80% of a child's brain develops before the age of 3. Every hug, every nutritious meal, and every playful moment shapes their future. The early years are critical for learning. When children receive proper nutrition, love, and mental stimulation, they develop stronger problem solving skills and better memories. This is why childhood vaccinations, breastfeeding, and a balanced diet are so important that they build a strong immune system and lay the foundation for a healthy life. Studies, studies show that children who get healthy start in life are more likely to perform well in school, have higher self-esteem, and grow into successful adults. Investing in children's health isn't just beneficial for them, it's essential for society as a whole. We've all heard the phrase, you are what you eat. And for children, this is even more true. A child's diet should include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. But junk food, sugary drinks, and processed foods can contribute to health problems like obesity and diabetes. Children should also have at least 60 minutes of physical activity every day. Exercise helps with brain development, mood regulation, and overall health. Simple habits can make a Simple habits can make a big difference. For example, hand washing with soap can reduce the risk of diarrheal diseases by up to 50%. Regular hand washing and brushing teeth twice a day are easy yet powerful ways to prevent illness. Preventive care, such as regular doctor visits and vaccination, is also crucial to ensuring children's long term health. However, health isn't just about the body. It's also about the mind. Children thrive when they feel loved, safe, and supported. A positive home environment helps reduce stress, build confidence, and improve emotional health. Strong friendships and positive role models help develop social skills and emotional intelligence. And of course, play is essential. It fuels creativity, problem solving, and happiness. As John Kennedy once said, children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. When we invest in children's health, we are investing in the future. Healthy children grow into healthy adults, reducing the burden on healthcare systems and contributing to stronger, more yet productive societies. So I ask you today, what small change can you make to support children's health? Whether it's encouraging healthy eating, promoting physical activity, or raising awareness about hygiene. Every action counts. Together, we can ensure a future where every child has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you.